Hello my loves, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So in today's video, you guys will see me create this beautiful, luxurious, amazing holiday makeup look. I love playing in makeup, and also it's the holiday season, so I was like, I want to have some fun. I want to show you guys some things that you guys can do with makeup that you have in your stash to have some fun and just elevate your look in easy ways. So if you guys are interested in seeing me beat my face and hearing my tips and tricks on how you can elevate your makeup look for this holiday season very effortlessly, then go ahead and keep on watching. Before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna get this face together. I really don't know what I have in mind, but I know that I want to do a red lip. So before we get started, I did want to let you guys know that all of the products that I will be using in today's video will be linked down below. So make sure you guys check that description box. I will link everything in the order of which they are used. So first off, we're gonna prime. I'm using my Milk Hydro Grip, so that, you know, everything could be nice and tacky, nice and in place, nice and lasting long. I'm gonna go ahead and draw my eyebrows on. I can't talk and do this, so I'll be right back. Brows are together. I've been liking to work on my eyes before my complexion, so that if I have any fallout, I can go ahead and, like, you know, clean it up after. So I'm gonna use some concealer to basically just prime and set my eyelids. I'm using this 50N concealer from Sephora. This is basically my skin tone, and I'm just gonna blend it out. Because I do have I don't have dark eyelids, but my eyelids are just darker than I would want them to be. So I'm just going to go ahead and set them using this concealer to help even out everything. And then I'm going to set it with some setting powder. For eyeshadow today, I'm gonna dig into this Morphe times Meredith Duxbury palette. This palette is filled with so many beautiful colors. So whether you want to do a look for the holidays, look for vacation, the girls have options, okay? Lots of options, and we love that. I never even peeped this palette has like a mini mirror on top. But I'm gonna start off with this shade Ganache. It's like a medium brown color, and I'm just gonna sweep that on my eyelid as like a transition shade. Oh yes, perfect. And then I'm gonna go in with this shade Espresso Martini, which is a darker brown right here, and I'm gonna put that like on my cream. And then I'm gonna go back in with the brush that I applied Ganache with and just blend out those two colors. Okay, I'm feeling a little spicy, so I think I'm gonna put this, let me see if I like Prosecco on top or City of Dreams better. Okay, I'm gonna use this Prosecco on top shimmer on my eyelid. Oh yeah, that's pretty. That is so cute. This side always trips me up because it's like, how am I supposed to? And I'm gonna take the brush that I had espresso martini on to just blend that out a bit. This is like a yellow gold color, which I'm always kind of scared of. So we're gonna see where this goes. But that is it for the eyes right now. Cute little eyeshadow look. So if you're looking for a simple way to turn up your looks this holiday season, I did my regular brown and brown, and then I just threw a glitter shadow on my eyelid. So that is one way you could spice up your makeup look this holiday season. Now back to the complexion. We're gonna go ahead and sweep away the fallout that we had. So I do have some dark spots that are real stubborn right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover them using a concealer that's my skin tone. And I like to let this concealer sit for a bit so it could kind of like stick and like, you know, do what it has to do.
The theological construct out of which John is speaking.
I'm gonna go ahead and apply my highlight. I like to do this before I apply my foundation so it can have time to sit a little bit. So I'm using 34.5, and y'all may be looking at this like, ooh girl, that is too light, but let me show y'all what I do. So I like to do one. So basically one dot in each area that you wish to highlight. I know it looks too light, hold on. That is the highlight to help, you know, add some dimension to the skin. For foundation, I'm gonna mix my two favorites because I tried something else the other day and I said absolutely not. So I'm gonna mix my Sephora Best Skin Ever foundations in the shade 50N and 53.5N to get the perfect match. Perfect match. Best skin ever. They ain't never lie. Y'all look at this skin. Look like, let me bring this down a little bit because I feel like we're a little detectable. But look at this skin, honey. Like, ooh. Child. Now we contour. And I have been noticing I haven't been putting on enough contour. So I've just been going in with a little bit of a heavier hand. Just a little bit. And then make sure you get your nose. In the kitchen, man, sitting like I'm good. Bye. Now we're gonna set everything. I have been loving to double set, so I'm gonna go in my one side setting powder and translucent first, and then I'm gonna go in with my Derma Blend powder and banana. This combination, just wait and see. Yeah, if you are not double setting your face, I'm here to let you guys know that that is the trick. Like, I felt like my makeup routine was missing something, and ever since I started doing this, wait till y'all see the transformation. But I'm gonna bronze. I'm using my Sephora collection bronzer in Ibiza, and I'm just gonna apply it on top of the areas that we contoured. I love a contoured look. Like, oh my god, it just like accentuates certain features of the face that is just like, ooh. I like to go in with my Sephora Micro Smooth powder, which is like my skin tone, and just sweep away the excess setting powder. I like to use a brush that is kind of detailed so we can get in there and actually like set and sweep. Now, would it really be a holiday look if we did not throw on some highlight? So highlight, I'm using my Dior Couture Luminizer in the shade New Glow. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit my nose, my brow bone. Oh yes, eat. And just a little bit on the cheek there. Okay, now it's time to set. This is a step that's gonna like bring everything together. So I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. This is basically done. I'm gonna use my mini size. The lippy is super important. Okay, the lippy is always important, but when it comes to a holiday look, the lippy, it has to go crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips using this KVD Beauty Everlasting Lip Liner in the shade Vampira. This is like a perfect burgundy to pair with any red lippy. So I'm gonna line my lips. My lippy today is gonna be the Fenty Beauty. This is the Fenty Icon lipstick in the shade the MVP. This red, you shutting out every holiday party. Okay, if you're looking for a husband at the holiday party, okay, if you're looking for this right here, just watch and see. Just watch and see. Yeah, this red. Okay, I saw this going viral on TikTok, on Instagram. I picked it up a year ago. I wore it a few times. I put it down to rest. But now, babes, y'all about to see this red lip for the rest of Vlogmas, okay? But afterwards, I like to go in with a brown lip liner and just like, you know, add a little bit of dimension. So this is the Juvia's Place lip liner in Cola. But you can use like any brown lip liner to do this. I don't know if you guys can see, but I kind of messed up right here. So let me show you guys what I do when this occurs. I just take my concealer brush. This is the brush that I use to like clean up my brows. And I just clean that up. But I think I need a little concealer that is in my skin tone. Just a little bit, like the littlest smidge. So the lippy is fixed, it's secure. Lashes, I've been loving this YSL mascara. She's a little pricey, but I want to show y'all how well she works. I want to show y'all how well she works. I'm gonna go ahead and pop these lashes on. These are the iconic light lashes from House of Lashes. So here is the final look. I went ahead and let my hair down. I put on some earrings. Okay, accessorizing is another great way to step up your holiday look without putting in too much effort. Get you some cute earrings that complement your look. This top is from Zara. It is old. It's like a tulle top, but I'll link something similar down below if you guys want to, like, you know, kind of like recreate this holiday look, or if you guys drew any inspiration from today's video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing me slay my face for the holiday season. So whether you're going to a holiday party, whether you're sitting in the living room with your friends and your family, I encourage you guys all to get yourself, you know, together for the holiday season. It just makes you feel better, it makes you feel more joyful, and I don't know, I just love playing the makeup, so I feel like it just did something to me. But as I mentioned, all of the products used will be linked down below, so make sure you guys check the description box and comment and let me know what you guys think of today's look. What do you guys love? Do you guys plan on recreating it? Which products do you guys have? Which products are you guys picking up? Comment down below and let your girl know. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.